party people, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a happy Saturday. I will be unboxing for you today my 2020 Beautylish box. This is the standard one. It does come in 3 different choice options. You can get a Jeffree Star, all Jeffree Star box. You can get the XL, which goes extremely quickly, so you would want to have the web page open. You might want to be refreshing a couple of times. You might want a friend or two to be trying in your behalf as well. I had the option to buy it. It wasn't sold out at the time that I signed up, but I wanted to start with this and just see how it goes. This is not something new to me as far as being a viewer and a follower of Beautylish and the Lucky Bags, which is something that is presented once a year, the day after Christmas, around the December the 26th. Hello. And yeah, you just signed up somewhere, Trend Move, somebody will be speaking on the list opening up so that you can be notified. And once they are live, the website is live and they are open for you to purchase, you'll get an email notification. But most people already have a tab open and they're waiting like wolves to get a box. So let's see what I got. Just for anyone who wants to know, my box weight was 1.87. So 1 pound, 0.87 ounces, because I know some people ask that question and folks act like they don't know. FedEx tells you who's the shipper, your under tracking information, what's the weight and where is it coming from. It took a whole 8 days to get here from California to Florida, but this is the beautiful paper. It just looks very oriental, which is, I believe, where they're borrowing the idea from. The tag on the reverse side does tell you what Lucky Bag stands for and where they're getting and drawing these ideas from. So right away, I'm shocked. I was so scared because I was like 1 pound, 0.87. That doesn't sound very heavy. Look, guys. Now, I've watched a ton of videos and I haven't seen this, but this is a Sweet Greens by Pharmacy. I received a 15 gram, 0.5 ounce honey potion. I received a same size, 15 milliliter, milliliter, 0.5 fluid ounces of honey drop. And then the Clean Green Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, which is 3.2 fluid ounces. Awesome. So I'm very happy about this. A while back, I think BoxyCharm, several months ago, boxes, some people were able to get this in one of the variations, and I wasn't ever so lucky. So I'm really excited. And just quickly, the honey potion, it is a renewing antioxidant hydration mask. The honey drop is a lightweight moisturizer, and then the green clean is a makeup melt away cleansing balm. So nice. We're starting the box off real nice, y'all. Yeah, your girl was nervous. I was kind of saying like little mini prayers. I was like, God, you know, this is my first time going ahead and just going for it, because some mystery boxes, it makes you a little apprehensive, a little nervous, because it is hit or miss, and some people get outstanding ones, and then you wonder, like, was the person mad when they packed your box, like pulled the items for your box? And it's like, why are you taking your frustrations out on me, bro? I didn't do anything to you. You had a whole warehouse of stuff to pick from. Why do a girl like that? So I was nervous, but so far so good. Everyone seemed to have gotten something from the Good Molecules line, which I believe is an in-house brand of Beautylish, and I received their cleansing balm. So you got different things within the line, and I received their instant cleansing balm formulated with nourishing sea buckthorn oil, camellia oil, and shea butter. And the ounces on this is 2.5 ounces. I do think it's slightly redundant, and they could have picked a different product in the Good Molecules line, because I am interested in trying their brand, considering they sent a cleansing balm. But because I wear makeup a lot at different times, it's no harm in having two on hand. So that's my second item, I guess. Wow, I nearly bought this yesterday. Shut up. This was at TJ Maxx for $12.99 or $14.99. And they had a couple of different trios. And so this is a 3-piece Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And each one is 0.7 fluid ounces. Incredible. Wow, patience is key, my loves. Patience is key. Awesome. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. I cannot wait. All right. Okay, I don't know who this is. Danessa Matrix Beauty. This is a Dew Wet Balm. For anyone who knows who Danessa is. Really nice packaging. The color shifts. Beyond me, you guys. And this is in Hot Water is the color. And that's what it looks. Oh, this must be some kind of highlighter. Yes, I like that. This will play off my skin tone really well. I have to look more into the brand because I've never heard of it before. Danessa Matrix Beauty. And again, the color is Hot Water. Two more things I'm seeing. Ooh, I wanted either Natasha Denona or Charlotte Tilbury. Oh my gosh. What is this? A color coded eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. The makeup gods. God heard my prayers because I was praying, y'all. Look, y'all. And I think this is the quad Jessica Braun. She likes, this is probably not it because it's a lot of shimmers. And the one she likes have some mattes in it. But I love it. These will make great in the crease. This will make great over the lid. Very nice. Now, I will say the colors are very similar to what is in the Stila, some of them. But I am very, very happy. Very nice. And it's travel. It's packable. Ooh. If I think this next thing is what I think it is, they nailed it. And I told a friend, YouTube buddy on here, Kitty, you should check out her channel if you're not already subscribed. But Kitty Unboxings or Kitty Boxes. And I was telling her, I believe, that next year I'm going to just aim to purchase all of them. Because I've seen a few of the Jeffree Star ones. And I was like, oh, we're done. This is, yes. Nailed it. They nailed it. Guess what I got, y'all? A Wayne Goss brush. And they're not cheap. I'm sorry, the lighting is so curled. I just came in, plopped them anywhere because I just wanted to get into this box. But I got a Wayne Goss brush. So out of frame. Get yourself together, lady. And let me see. This one is his 05. And this is the shape of it. And because I have tight eyes, I don't have a whole lot of room. So certain brushes, I like them, but they can be a little bit big. This is going to go under the eye really well for smudging. And this can go in the outer crease to really sharpen and deepen that area with color. So well done. You know your girl's digging just in case it's something else, but that's it. I think not bad at all. Just in case you're wondering, what I've noticed before I end the video is that the shipping varies by state, and certain people mentioned that they even paid a tax. I'm in the state of Florida. My shipping was $10 on top of the $75. So I had a grand total of $85, I believe, that I had to pay. I will double check my online receipt, and I'll leave it in the description box below for you. But I didn't have a tax, so I wasn't in a state that needed to pay that. I would highly encourage someone who's not fearful, who don't have a whole massive collection. I do have a decent collection of makeup, but there is room for things to be added. I did see people disappointed. Well, if you got a whole bedroom full of makeup, you're going to probably get something you already got. And so going into it, you need to have that in mind. If you have a medium, small, medium, or super tiny, I think this is great. This is an awesome gift to yourself. That is a surprise. And the things that you won't use, you already got little mini gifts for your friends or family's birthdays and Christmas and stuff. And anniversaries and all that stuff. It's already on hand. You just grab bag and go, girls. Everything I received, I'm not giving duty away. These is for me. Like the video, consider subscribing to my channel, and have a blessed day, you guys. Peace.